Okay, I'm done. I'm full.
Did they have rice?
Yeah.
Rice and gravy. Oh my gosh.
Did you not put some spoon? Look at this. Yes, no love is on it.
I'm good, honey. I'll eat later.
Why?
Just.
You like the rice? You're not hungry?
Mmm.
You're not hungry?
That's awesome rice.
You're not hungry, Ram?
Not really.
Why? Kain tayo, oy!
In fact, I'm gonna go to the 7-Eleven.
Okay, we're gonna go.
I'm just gonna walk
Why?
and get something to drink.
Yeah.
I know we have water, but
Okay, go.
You know me, I don't. You want anything special?
No, I'm good.
No?
We have gravy anyway. Where's gravy?
Oh, I thought that was gravy.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah. No, what would you do? Would you dip your chicken in the gravy? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yes, that's...
Is my baby happy?
Here, I got this one is $25. The chains. Okay. Oh yes, I'm happy. Oh,
My
look
baby
at the
is happy.
gravy thing.
Oh my gosh, my baby's happy.
Ay, siya. Ay.
Oh, my baby's happy.
Ay, asawa ko. Ay, naggulo. Wala kasi hindi kasi pwede doon magkaon kasi nga 'di ba may bawal kasi magkain doon kasi dahil sa mo yun na yun yung dito nangyari sa bansa natin. Kaya kailangan nila take out lang. Hindi pwedeng kailangan kumain doon. Ano ba yan? Wala na akong tissue. Hindi kailangan doon. Oh. Kain tayo, Manoy. Nagutom ako. Kain na sa kinauboy na to ba? Sarap. Pero ako kain hindi niya ako binigyan ng kutsara. Wala tuloy ko sa sawa ko. Saka walang tissue, binigyan na konti lang. Gabi naman sila. Tipid si Jollibee, ha? Sarap-sarap, be. Masaya na ako, saka Jollibee ako. Alam nyo na yung natin. Ito lang yung kaligayahan natin si Jollibee. Ayan ako. Rice is life! Jollibee. So, kinauboy na to ba? Bawal kasi kumain doon. Talaga bawal. Gusto nila take out na lang. Akala nyo? Sa Pilipinas lang din mahigpit. Pati din dito. Mm. Mm. So yummy. Mm. Sasakyan land parts na. May napunta ko ng immigration. 1 packet yung binila namin. Wow! Ang dami nila. Sarap. Jollibee. Bahala yung asawa ko. Ayaw niyang kumain. Bahala siya sa buhay niya. Ito ako. Kakain ito. Ang tagal na akong hindi nakakain ito. 2 years na. Paborito to ng mga bata. Sarap. Tayo nag-satinizer ba? Hindi pwede talaga pumasok doon. Mas spicy. Wala kami ng tissue. Magtipid ako sa tissue kasi kunti lang binigay ni Jollibee. Ang dami nito. Ako lang kakain ito. Ang dami, no? Ano lang to, guys? $25. So, nasa 25 times 50. Matalino kasi mo. Hindi ko alam. Nasa 2,500. Tama ba? Hindi sa 1,000 lang higit. Hindi ko alam. Basta. Hindi ko matalino sa map. $25 lang yan. Kung sa atin yan, magkano na yan? Tagal ko na hindi nakauwi kaya hindi ko alam. Uray. Sabi ng asawa ko, bibili ko daw lahat ng gusto ko. Tingnan ko. Bilhin ko spaghetti. Ang gusto ko, alam na niya. Ano sinasawa ko? Hi! What did you got?
Oh, just a Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
A little bit of caffeine.
Be careful, I have here.
Okay.
I have time. You eat na, love? Oh.
Hey, we have lots of time. Okay.
Why? You eat, no?
I will.
That's just the same.
I'm going to eat.
Nothing special. Nothing special.
Oh, it's very special, huh?
Jollibee.
It's a taste of home.
And
And that's why it's so special.
Just but you're not eating. You're not hungry. What did you eat?
I felt like I stuffed myself for breakfast.
Really? What did you eat for breakfast? I just eat the. What did I eat breakfast? I just eat the eggs and bread, and I didn't eat the pancake and the
The hash brown.
huh?
The hash brown.
I don't know what that means. That
You had the sausage. You had the.
I didn't eat the sausage. No, I don't have sausage.
That's what
I
you
have eggs and bread and pancake and
No.
the thing. That you have it. You have also that one. I don't know why that. But no.
Yeah.
I I ate two already. This is two. Kailangan ko mo. It's so salted.
So this must be the garment district.
Look out.
Yeah, sewing machine.
Huh?
Sewing machine.
I mean, the red one, but the clothes.
Oh. You can go look at it.
Huh?
Go look at it. Go buy it. Why not?
There's no taste. How is that? Yeah.
No, there is.
The rice. I think the rice is good. Done for you. There's nothing special. Just chicken.
Is that all they have? Is chicken?
No, they have spaghetti.
Really? Spaghetti? Wow, that's kind of odd for a fast food thing.
Our spaghetti is you don't
Like the
like.
lo mein.
Yeah, we have meat, we have hot dogs. You guys, oh, you can do it, but Madison doesn't like it. But yeah. Are you okay?
Excuse me.
Why did you not turn off your car?
Yeah, it should be, I want you to be warm.
What?
You should go look at their dress.
How come? All fabric here. Okay, I'm done. My husband. Sweet. Yummy bayat. Bayat. Parang feels like home. What are you? It's nice. Can I see? That's beautiful. Can I see? That's beautiful. Look at this. Huh? I don't know. Oh my god, I don't know. It's expensive.
Oh, honey, I don't care what it fucking costs.
Do you want me to?
You want that?
No, it's too expensive. Wait.
No, that's not.
It is. It's 75. No,
Honey, it's
no,
okay.
look at that. Ease. Look at this. Look at this. Just go 75 each. Not that good. No. It's good. But this one is nice, the blue, other red one.
You like this stuff?
Yeah. But you're not gonna see your bilit batami. Can I like, let's go.
No, you
No.
have a beautiful body.
I know, stop. I don't like love. I really don't.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you
I
do.
don't want to love.
Yes, you do. You really like it.
I don't
You
like
really- I know you do.
Stop. Bubilin niya. I don't like love. I really don't.
Go try it on.
Huh?
Go try it on.
I don't like.
Why not?
Because it's hanging up here.
So what?
I don't like. Jollibee!
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your friends' friends. Tell your family. Even the family you don't like, tell them about it.
Oh, we're gonna stay here until the time's up. It's not good, the price.
Okay.
Okay. You have ketchup, you like ketchup?
What's that?
You have ketchup.
I do not, but these are the kind of fries you would dip in gravy.
What's it gonna be?
Yeah.
You want?
No, I don't. Because they're soft.
It's soft already, love. That's why.
I know. The soft fries would go
Look,
to
look
bed.
at him, look at him. Yeah.
Does he? No, a lot of people do.
That's ugly. You think it's cute, but it's not.
Alright, I'm good.
I'm eating.
Stop trying to make me fatter.
You're not.
I am.
Why is it expensive? You should be.
Well, that's the guy there. I was gonna see if I can get it cheaper.
Oh, you already 75.
I bet you I can get it down to 50.
Oh my God.
If I could get it for 50, would you take it?
No, I still don't. Wait, I'm gonna wait up.
Okay, I'm done. I told you. Holy shit, that.
Wait, I'm gonna wear that.
I don't know when we go out.
Where?
You know, either on a Monday morning breakfast or, you know.
Jeez. But I eat a lot. Oh my God.
No, I told you we'll go every week. We'll go to a different.
Not that's yeah.
Yes. We'll go to a different, you know, diner.
I know. Then I do later.
Yay!
Look at you.